G'day everybody, this is Ray Ray, aka Kiwi Buenos Aires. Look, I'm just going to flick over here to Lydian World. This is the financial dashboard that I've got here showing the income wallets. The thing with Lydian World, the Lydian World universe, there's a lot of, it's just one small part of this gold standard universe that we have. And these income wallets, these 4, 8, 10, 12, 14 different wallets, basically will relate to my citizenship or positions that I have within Lydian World. So you can see in through here the different countries: Dominica, Vanuatu, Palau, Cyprus, yada, yada, yada. Argentina, for example, where I'm recording this from, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different income streams just within Argentina. So I only have a small number of citizenships where I was able to get what I could at a really good price right at the beginning of when we started launching Lydian World. And this is paying us micro payments every day, every second. New Zealand, Cook Islands, you see that's in there as well. And these small amounts, they all add up over time. So they're paid out in different asset classes. In this case, we've got USDT. The mining is paid out in the in-world Lydian Stata, USDT, BNB, BUSD, Ethereum, and so on and so forth. So if you have a look at the top here, you can see that in Lydian World, we've got a total of 538,362 total citizens, and there are currently 115 online. What I wanted to quickly do is just show you how quickly we do this whole 3 clicks to happiness thing. And that's what I want to show in a moment with regards to the compounding of our current certificate series that we have. Financial dashboard in here for Lydian World. Income wallets, we've got these wallets that are what I want to claim. So what I do is go to here, and maybe I've claimed it already actually. Here we go, now we have it. So here we go. So these are just like little tiny micro payments that are coming in all the time. $2.85 in Lydian Lancia, $2.50 in Bitcoin, $10 in USDT. And I basically, once a month, when I remember to, come in through here, I add them onto my spreadsheet so I can keep track of the percentage gains. Go over here, I'm going to claim that $28 worth of assets. That's successful. Click OK. And then if I go back over here to the income wallets, to the balances, that has already gone in. Should have gone in. It's immediate. So let me just refresh that. There we go, 283. So that's just a quick little insight into what's happening in here. I'll give you a quick little look at the map, the Lydian World map. There are hundreds of income stream options available in through here. If you're in Tibet, you are and a citizen in Tibet, there's only 982 citizenships left. If I want to become a citizen and take part in mining this treasury, well, actually I can't because it's already negative 2.7, 2,700. But if I want to become a citizen in Tibet, it's going to cost me 784.6 Lydian lions. Okay, if I become a citizen, that allows me a 50% stake in the profits that come through the GDP of that country. So depending on what's happening in which country, or sort of businesses that the companies are involved in, whether it be transportation, communications, real estate, all these sorts of things, as to the amount of business flying through a particular country. So if we look at a state like Utah, we have some big movers in the commercial real estate sector that are working really, really well within the tokenized real estate sector. So there's a lot more volume, there's a lot more movement of money happening through there. And those of us that are citizens in these particular places, we're receiving a percentage of that. that's as simple as I can make it, really. There's also the option to purchase land in world here. Say if we go to Serbia, for example, and we want to purchase property in Serbia, we can see that there is one person that has purchased 142 square meters of land in the metaverse Lydian world. So what we want to do is from here, I want to take you through to Gold Standards Partners platform, to where I've already opened the Elemental certificates. So we've got this is our Terra certificate, which you can see the code there. Load before 24th of May 2024. This certificate is actually already 50% loaded, as you can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through the ones that I've filled, such as FinTech. You can see it has a total value of 1,178 at the end of that 52-week period. Over that period, it's paying 5% weekly. All right, so I get an additional bonus of 200 at the end of that. And what we want to do now, this is the best bit, we have the option to either withdraw or what I want to do with this one is compound it, because I don't want to waste too much time. So FinTech, weekly, compounding in the FinTech sector, and it's compounding the equivalent of $7.14, yeah, or CV Euro, which is the Euro tether. You compound now, and that's just going to take that compounding amount up. All right, so you can see how this has been compounding below here. Real estate, renewables, and FinTech. So we're going to go to renewables now. This is paying 4% over 52 weeks, 4% weekly, and we want to compound that so that that compounding effect is greater. So we go down here to renewables, click on the weekly, and 3 clicks to happiness. 1, 4. There we go. Okay, and then the final one here, the real estate. We've got a promotional load here of 200 as well. So that means the total value in through here to be collected at the end of 52 weeks. If you remember that the cost of the certificate was 100 USDT. I loaded it with 100 USDT on the main load and an additional 200 USDT through the promotional load. So my input into the certificate in this particular real estate section was 300 USDT, and it has a returnable value of 1,053. So that's not too bad at all. So I'm going to compound that. Real estate, weekly. Oh, do I want it rewards from weekly, monthly? Weekly is fine. There we go. $5 USDT compounded into that as well. So these certificates, they range in price from 100, which was the entry point, and they go all the way up to 100,000 USDT. So really, really good value. And these additional bonuses, these additional loads are available until the 1st of July, in which from there they will start to reduce in value as well. So my recommendation would be get in now, get in where you fit in, earn while you learn, and pretty much that's all I've got to say. I just came across this old video. Here we go. Actually, this is my wife's account, so I can't show you in here. So, purpose, peace, and power. Big loves from Buenos Aires, and see you soon. Cheers.